Paano ba natin gagawing kapaki-pakinabang at productive ang isang meeting? Kung ikaw ay isang manager and you use meetings to engage people, make sure that everything is properly coordinated, importante na matuto ka ng meeting management. And one of the key features of managing a meeting is establishing what we call meeting norms or meeting ground rules na dapat naiintindihan ng bawat isang uma-attend ng meeting. I have 6 suggestions and then it's up to you kung alin dito ang i-apply mo sa iyong organization. Number 1, start and end the meeting on time. Respect other people's time, lalo na yung mga maagang dumating at yung mga may ibang commitments. Number 2, one speaker at a time. Iwasan natin yung mga side conversations. Pangatlo, make sure that people are paying attention kasi nangyayari minsan sa mga meetings kapag hindi pa nila turn mag-present ay nagmumultitask sila, nagche-check ng email, nagche-check ng phone, iwasan natin yan. Pang-apat ay to encourage participation. Sa mga meeting ko minsan, ang nag-uusap lang, ang may diskurso lang, ay yung mga matataas ang posisyon. Yung mas mabababa ang posisyon ay passive lamang na uma-attend ng meeting. Kung hindi rin sila magiging involved, bakit nandoon pa sila? So as a meeting leader, it's important that you make sure that they're contributing something of value in the meeting. Panglima, ask powerful questions. This is a very important way of engaging people. Iwasan natin yung, is everything clear? Do you have any question? Ask more powerful questions like, please make your recommendations, or what are your recommendations? What are your opinion on the issue? Pang-anim is to allow people to respectfully challenge ideas. Dapat alabot yung mga tao na magbigay ng kanilang opinion. Ang bottom line ng isang effective na meeting is commitment. That people are committed to what needs to be done after the meeting. Dalawang bagay ang kailangan for the meeting to be effective. 1 is emotional buy-in of people on the agreement, and 2, clarity on what they need to do so that sa susunod na meeting natin, makita natin na may progress yung ating mga projects, yung ating pursuit of our goals. Watch for more if you're interested in improving meetings in your organization.